Hey everyone, welcome back to Danielle's Decor. Today I am up here at my mom's house and she's seen a cute little craft on DEE'S CRAFT's YouTube channel, and she was wanting to play around and make one. So she went ahead and made one and it turned out super cute, so I thought I'd show you guys and maybe y'all can make one too. It was really simple, really easy. What you'll need is a little styrofoam ball, some white mesh about 2.5 yards, ribbon, whatever kind you want, a white pipe cleaner, a black pipe cleaner, and some black felt. And I've already cut out 2 ovals of the black felt and glued them onto my little styrofoam ball here. And then we're gonna cut some of this stuff out of my way. We're going to measure out 2.5 yards of this and go ahead and get that cut. Got a mess. And go ahead and cut this right about here. My mother's standing over there staring at me. So, now I didn't make one and she snuck off to the bedroom and made this. So we are going to figure this out. God. I just got a mess with this, huh? You use that much, really? This one's coming out right. It's just this one. It's not coming out right. There. It was cuter before you pulled it now. Okay, now we got our ends pulled up. This one to me is still looking a little too old, but we want him to look a little flouncy in his bottom half. Now we're just going to take the the pipe cleaner, that pipe cleaner around here. We got both pieces back behind his little ball, or his little head, and we're just going to wrap these. That tight. We have a little ghost. He's so cute. Okay. Now we're gonna take our ribbon and we're just gonna make a little 4-loop row. So we're gonna pull out however far that we want it. This is gonna end up being upside down, but that's okay. So we just want it to hang down a little bit. I don't want a big long one. Come back and pinch that one in. Make our first little loop. We're going to twist it, come back over to the other side, make a little loop there. And we got our 2 little loops going. We're going to twist it again. We're going to make our 3rd loop and go back behind. Well, it's kind of hard to see because you guys are so far away, but And then we'll twist it again. Come up for our little top loop right here. Tuck that one in there. Try to keep all your loops the same size as you're working your way around. And when you get to the back, the last, you're gonna pull it down and then grab your pipe cleaner and get that in there. Wrap your pipe cleaner around and pull and twist. And we'll go ahead and we'll cut this little tail right here. Match our other one. And voila, you got a little 4-loop bow. Get hold of it. Then you just fluff it up. Get your little loops where you want them to be. Make sure a little crooked on that one. And after you get your little bow made like that, you're going to take that, we're going to wrap it right around right there. Twist that on. That on there good and tight. Turn them so I can see. Get my bow in the right spot here. And then on the back, your extra little pipe cleaner, you can always attach it to itself and make a little hanger to hang him with. You got your little hanger. There you go. Super simple, super cute. This is the one I made just now, and then I have one down here that she made earlier. So now we have 2 little ghosties to hang outside on the porch. Just a little styrofoam. You can spray it with Never Wet if you wanted to leave it outside. You can hang it in anywhere. In your decor, I just thought they were, oops, I'm pushing him. They were super easy and super cute. We were playing around with stuff today, having a mommy-daughter craft day. She's my crafting buddy, everybody. So I come up here and hang out with her on the weekends, and we play around with little holiday stuff. But that's all I have for right now, and hopefully you guys try this and it comes out. Like I said, it was really, really simple. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.